Wow, that's beautiful.
Thank you.
Has that been redone?
Yeah.
See?
Yes.
Okay.
We ordered the material out of New York, and then me and one of my buddies put it together.
Okay.
Took a while, but
Nicely done.
thank you.
73, right?
Yes.
318?
318.
Very nice. Very nicely done. Is that a factory color?
No. Factory color. No, it's a factory color.
Autumn bronze metallic.
Yes, and this is a root
I'll be
beer
darned.
metallic.
Wow.
Just a little bit darker and a lot more metallic.
Yeah. Holy smoke. Great car. I love the Krager SS.
Those were hard to come by.
Yeah. I used to have a couple sets when I was younger. Wow. Very cool. Thanks for sharing, sir. Appreciate it. Yeah, small block Chevrolet in this one. Very cool. Curry County Cruisers. Little small block nestled in there.
Like a Luma prep. I like a Luma prep is what I found.
It'll take the polish off the end, though.
Oh, I don't mind
But
it.
it's
I want
really-
it not to be polished.
It's really good for cleaning the. If you like.
Down the meeting light.
That's what I'm going to do. Yeah. Yeah.
A Torino GT 4-speed car.
Okay.
10 minutes,
Yeah.
then rinse it all off good, and decide if that's going to work or what.
Yeah. I didn't want it too shiny. I guess I'm
Got a Corvette here.
He got him on a deal.
427, 425 horsepower. Look, they went with the headers on it. Got a block cover. Black interior. Got the 4-speed in the red Corvette. Red Corvette, black interior. Can't go wrong with that, can you?
My Corvette's
Probably 57. Not a big T-bird expert, but very cool car.
245. It's 270 was fuel injected. That
Looks like an AC car, automatic. Gotta love the portholes in those. And the dual antennas.
Well, I've never seen either one of these cars. Because you never go that way, do you? No, we always go. But we're always in the Shelton show. All the shows around here. Are you going down here, car?
Volkswagen convertible.
Howdy, howdy.
Test the time. 75 horsepower.
I know, it's like, wow! but
But that probably moves it pretty darn good.
Oh,
you know?
it just hauls.
Yeah.
We go over I-90 to go to the show in Moxie, and it just, I gotta pedal fast to keep up with it.
1940 Dodge pickup. Definitely got the green theme going on this one. Very cool. White tonneau cover sets it off. 40 Dodge. How cool is that? Advanced design. Chevrolet pickup. Modified a little bit here in the rear with the valance down there. Tonneau cover. Pretty simple bucket seat interior in it. Gotta like the visor up there. That's very cool. The old dash. Great truck.
Oh gosh, I'm sorry.
You're fine. You're fine. Beautiful Chevrolet Woody.
Excuse me. That sounds so good. No, it doesn't.
That's the GT version. I'm surprised.
Hello, young lady.
Hi.
How are you?
Good, how are you?
Fine. This is a Tempest. Very cool car. This is a Metropolitan.
And a 425 thing. Well, you can get it.
Check out that little tiny four-cylinder engine.
Didn't come with AC. Yeah, you couldn't get it.
Very nice.
Oh.
55 Chevrolet, two-door post.
Yeah, this thing.
Hi there.
It has so much
Hi,
power.
Sue. I'm Dorothy. Everybody calls me Don.
Very cool hot rod.
Well, they're both there. I just
56 Buick Special. Very cool.
Way out of my, yeah. So I got the bug after a lot of communicating, and that thing has made me so happy.
So what do they call this van option?
It's not a van option, it's just a truck.
It's
Just a
just-
truck, like if you went to
it's
Ford and said I
considered
want
just
a truck, it's just a
A
truck.
Volkswagen
Single cab.
single cab truck.
Yes, sir. Yeah. And they made it double too, just like Americans.
I'll
Since
be darned.
even since the 50s. They did it through the 80s. You know, know how a Vanagon looks?
Well, these are pretty rare.
They made a truck Vanagon too. A lot
Yeah.
of them. Yeah. Same thing.
Yeah, look at that.
Yeah, exactly how to do that.
You don't see one of those every day.
In time, yeah. That's right, that's right. And what's the name of the church that you guys went? Straight hair,
Check out the flip-out windshield
out of Portland.
and the canvas cover.
Well, that's really sweet.
Got side storage on it.
I mean, we have
This is quite the utility vehicle. Pontiac Firebird. 350 on that. Let's take a look inside. Well, she's under construction inside. Drive them while you build them. 1957 Chevrolet Nomad. Black with red interior. Krager SS on it. Small block Chevrolet. Dual quads. Power steering, power brakes, and AC for all the creature comforts. And this hot rod. Very cool. Black car, red interior on a 57 Nomad. Hard to beat that.
Yeah, I think
Ford Mustang.
What do you got on the back? Anything in the back? Okay.
Bucket seat interior. AC car, automatic transmission. Got the luggage rack. Very nice driver.
You gotta be bought to live on the island.
Pontiac Tempest, 326. Four-door hardtop. Matching gold interior, automatic transmission. Super cool Survivor car. Oh, and the red Corvette. How can you go wrong with that? Red with the white inlays, white lights, spinners. Red interior. And of course, got the 4-speed transmission in that. Very nice. Very nice.
I got a Route 66 license plate.
Ford Deluxe convertible. Super straight car. Wide lights, hubcaps, chrome trim rings. Just a gorgeous car. V8 car. Flathead in it, I'm sure.
Yeah.
What a beautiful, kind of a maroon interior. Very nice.
Yeah, I want to put my Arizona license plate.
I'd probably like to sit there.
1829 Ford Roadster. 1934 Model B engine. Well, you take a look at that. Twin carb sitting on that. Single header. Beautiful inside. Brown interior goes well with that black.
I really had a hard part with the blast.
What a cool hot rod that is.
Your brain has to get used to a noisy world.
Yeah.
So used to not hearing anything. And it's been a year, I don't know.
BMW
But for the first couple of months,
with a sidecar. I've ridden a lot of motorcycles, but I have never ridden one with a sidecar. I'd like to try it someday, though. PR3 Triumph. My father-in-law had one of these. I think it was a 60. I don't know what year this is.
Rugs.
Can you take half
Pillows.
gotten a full set of stuff?
I can remove that if you want to take a picture without the little
Good,
sign.
thank you.
It's right here.
What year?
1960.
My father-in-law had a 1960, and I remember driving it. It didn't have a lot of power, but it was sure fun to drive. You could just darn near reach out and touch the ground.
Yeah.
It was so
Like
neat.
you're going really fast. You know,
Yeah.
because you're so close to the ground.
Yeah.
Yeah, I drove that a couple of times. It was really fun.
Everybody's passing you, and you're like,
What a neat car that is.